In an ordinary sofa, in an ordinary room, are extraordinary heroes who are standing by to zoom to wherever they are needed. They are speeding out today. The Numberjacks are on their way. They will help you with your problems. They are waiting for your call. No problem is too big for them. No problem is too small. Things may all be going wrong, but you can let it stop for long. The Numberjacks are on their way. The Numberjacks are on their way.
Right, I'll go first.
Why you?
All right, you go first. As long as we take turns.
Hover dice, please roll. Oh, not very many. 1, 2.
My turn. Roll, please. 4. My number. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Me now. Huh? 1.
Roll, please. 5. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got a bit of catching up to do.
Yes, I have. Roll, please. Huh? 1. Roll again.
What? It's not your turn.
So,
Huh.
1, 2.
We've got to take turns.
Don't see why. Roll. 4. That's good.
Taking turns is fair.
Not taking turns is fun. Roll.
Hey!
Brilliant.
No, if you don't take turns, everything goes wrong.
It's going all right for me.
It can't be you, and not me. You've got to take turns, 3.
Well, maybe next time. Come on.
We've got a call.
Hello, 8 and 14 here. Things are going wrong.
But not for long.
Look at this boy.
Hold on, I'm putting it on screen.
Watch his legs.
It's all one leg and not the other.
It means he can't walk properly.
Okay, who's going out there?
It must be my turn.
Huh.
5, you up for it?
Yeah.
Okay, get ready for launching.
We've got a problem, what should we do? Who's going out there? Who do we choose? Need to get out there, who will it be? Who's going out there?
Number 5.
Good luck, 5.
Ready for launch. Checking the room's empty. Oh, wait! Someone's there! Okay, they've gone. Let's go. All clear.
Let's go!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0! Looking for a 5 to land on. Finding a 5. It's 55. Can land on either 5. There he is.
How's he getting on?
Still just using one leg?
Maybe his other leg doesn't work.
Yes, it does.
He's still having trouble.
Agent 47 here. Both legs are working, but not at the right time.
Agent 73 here. His legs should take turns. Left, right, left, right.
He's going left, 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 right, right, right. It's a different pattern.
I get it. Should be left, right, left, right.
And it's left, 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 right, right, right.
Things getting weird in the cafe.
She should put down a knife, then a fork. Knife, then fork.
At least the cuckoo clock's all right. Oh no!
What's making everything go wrong?
I think I can guess. Look! The puzzler!
Checking out the info now.
Let me tell you what I'm talking about. The puzzler, he's got a twisted mind. His bubbles mean trouble if you get trapped inside. You better stop thinking if the puzzler has caught you. Cause if you can sort the puzzle out, the puzzler will sort you.
He's got a mean face.
Come, follow me to the pattern place.
The pattern place?
Where's that?
We'll find out.
This is a strange place.
5. There's something on that table.
This is how I set the pattern. With reds and blues, I make things happen. I've made it red, 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 then blue, blue, blue. So to make things right, what will you do?
We've got teachers ringing in.
Pieces make things happen in a pattern. Red, 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 left, 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 blue, blue, blue. Right, right, right. Gotta change the pattern to make it left, right, left, right, left, right.
So I changed the pieces to...
Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue.
Brain, to solve the problem, use our brain. Way to get your brains all linking up together, joined up thinking. Getting brain power now, brain game.
Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue.
Left, right, left, right, left, right.
Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. That pattern should put things right. Red, blue, left, right, left, right.
Knife. Fork. Knife. Then fork.
Yeah!
You've done quite well, I suppose it's true, but I've got one more puzzle for you. Can you guess what people will do when it's red, red, blue, red, red, blue?
Agents ringing in.
If the pattern changes, what people do will change.
Red, red, blue. Red, red, blue. That's how they'll do things. 2 of one thing, then 1 of the other.
Final answer? Well, let's see if that is what the pattern will be.
Red, red, blue. Knife, knife, fork.
What's will the Cuck-Cuck-Cuck do?
Red, red, blue. Okay, puzzler, are you happy now?
There's one more game for you to play, but first you must turn your face away. Let's add a little mystery. I move the pieces, but you can't see. Check what people do, and then tell me, in what pattern must the pieces be?
Everyone look at what's happening and see what the pattern is. Knife, knife, fork, fork.
5. The pattern is 2 of one thing and 2 of the other thing.
Okay, so let me think. What will the pattern pieces be? It's 2 of one and another 2. Red, red, blue, blue, red, red, blue, blue.
Ah, yes, you're right. Indeed, that's true. 2 reds, 2 blues is what they do.
But not anymore. We're putting things back to normal once and for all.
Brain gain, back to normal.
Red, blue, red, blue.
Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue.
Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue.
Knife, then a fork. Knife, then fork.
You Numberjacks, you are a pain. You've gone and beaten me again.
Yes, you've lost, so off you go.
I'll be back again, you know.
Yeah! Now come back, 5.
All clear for landing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well done, 5.
Well done, all of us.
Check it out on screen.
That boy couldn't walk properly.
And things weren't going well in the cafe. And it was the puzzler causing all the trouble.
That was a weird place.
There are the pattern pieces, making things go wrong.
We sorted them out again, but we had more puzzles to solve. We knew what people would do when the pattern pieces changed.
And then we worked out the pattern by watching what people did.
And we beat the puzzler. Hooray! Would you like another game, 4?
That depends. Are we taking turns properly?
I think a good pattern for our game would be pink, 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 blue. And I'll be pink.
I don't think so. Look,
Oh!
to make sure we don't get it wrong, the buddy blocks have made the pattern. We take turns.
Fair enough. Let's do it.
Glad that buddy block pattern sorted things out. And can you find a pattern like the buddy blocks? 2 colours taking turns? If you can, or any problems, call the Numberjacks.